Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are okay and happy. So today's video is going to be a summer makeup tutorial. It is going to be a fresh looking summer makeup tutorial and you can achieve it in under 5 minutes. Yes, 5 minutes. अगर 5 मिनट्स नहीं है तो कम से कम 15 मिनट्स के अंदर तो हो ही जाएगा. So if you are interested then please keep on watching. So I have done my skincare because you know skincare is important. मैं बहुत बार बोल चुकी हूँ और मैं बहुत बार कर चुकी हूँ मेरे दूसरे वीडियोस में स्किन केयर. So I'm not gonna show in this video. I'm gonna quickly jump into the makeup part. And because this is a summer makeup, I'm going to ditch the foundation क्योंकि you know धूल मिट्टी पसीना में वो फाउंडेशन बिगड़ जाते हैं. So I'm going to ditch the foundation, BB cream, CC cream, everything. I just have applied moisturizer, toner. That's it. Now I'm going to apply concealer. I will just conceal my face. Oh, by the way, this is Lakme Absolute का White Intense Liquid Concealer. I'm not a concealer person, to be honest. I just love foundation. That's it.
I am using a damp beauty blender to blend it all, and not only the concealer, you should blend everything really well, like your foundation, your BB cream, your CC cream. You should blend everything very nicely, and only then your makeup will look flawless and natural. Otherwise, sometimes in case of concealer especially, what happen, it feels like you have put something only under your eyes, and that's it. You don't have anything in your face. And now I am putting some concealer in my mouth area.
Guys, now I have Mr. So the concealing is done. Now I will bake this with my compact.
Using any compact or setting powder over your concealer is very important because it not only sets your concealer but also it gives you an coverage.
And today I will not only bake only my eye area, I will bake on those area where the skin gets oily.
So I am using compact not only in my eye but also in my mouth area, on my nose area, because this area gets really oily and I don't want that. That's why I am using compact on those area also.
That's it. So it's summertime and we can't put so many things in our face, so it's time to play with your eyes, and I'm gonna do a very fresh looking or colorful eyeshadow. So here is my palette, and you can see the palette is extremely colorful. And also I am going to use this NYX palette for my crease line because there are no transition shade. All the shades in this palette are colorful, so I'm going to use this palette for the transition shade, and I will pick this shade for transition.
Using that brown kind of shade for the transition on both of my eyes using a eyeshadow applicator.
So I am done with my transition, and now I will do my eyes with this most beautiful bluish green shade. Yes, this one. Yeah, this bluish green shade. If you don't have this kind of shade in your palette, just mix the light green and light blue shade and you will get some effect like this. So
I am using the bluish green kind of shade on the outer corner of my eyes to get that fresh and for my inner corner I am using a golden shimmery shade. And doing a regular winged eyeliner, which I always do in my other videos. So here I am doing that winged eyeliner. And today I am applying kajal because I haven't applied any foundation or anything on my face, just a concealer. And I have said that you should play with your eye makeup when you are not doing anything on your face. So that's why I am using a kajal to make this look complete. And obviously finishing it off with a mascara. I can never forget mascara no matter what kind of makeup it is. So yeah, I am here applying mascara. And for the lips, I am using my Baby Lips color lip balm. This is in the shade maybe Cherry Kiss or something like that. And then I am using my brown nude. This is my Maybelline Nude Nuancy. So it will give me a pink hint in a brown nude lipstick and also give me a glossy effect, which is perfect for summer. And the combination was so good. You should try it out if you have a brown nude in your house.
So that was my final look. I hope you guys really liked it. If you did, then please give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you in my next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye and